Let us first recall on what a polynomial function is. A polynomial function is a function of the form a of x equals a sub n x raised to n plus a sub n minus 1 x raised to n minus 1 plus a sub n minus 2 x raised to n minus 2 plus up to a sub 1 x plus a sub 0. A sub n is not equals to 0, where n is a non-negative integer, and a sub 0, a sub 1, up to a sub n are real numbers called coefficients. A sub n, x raised to n, is the leading term, a sub n is the leading coefficient, and a sub 0 is the constant term. This time, let us answer this activity. For the given polynomial function f of x equals x raised to the 4th power minus 5x squared plus 4, describe or determine the following. For letter A, the leading term, letter B, leading coefficient, letter C, degree of polynomial function, for letter D, end behaviors, and for letter E, the value of f of 0. You will be given 1 minute to answer this activity. And your timer starts now. Time's up. Here are the answers. For letter A, x raised to the 4th power. For letter B, 1. Letter C, degree of 4. Letter D, rising to the left and right. And for letter E, we have 4. For letter E, we only need to substitute the value of x by 0, and then simplify the given equation. That would give us positive 4. Were you able to get the correct answers? That's great. This time, let's have another activity. Investigate deeper and decide wisely. We are going to apply the concepts of polynomial functions to answer the following questions. You may use a calculator when needed. Look at the given pictures below. What does it imply? In your science subject, you have learned about deforestation and its impact on the environment. Filipinos need to take the problem of deforestation seriously. The Philippines is paying a high price for the destruction of its forests, and a number of major problems confronting the nation can be traced directly to deforestation. The table shows the forest cover of the Philippines in relation to its total land area of approximately 30 million hectares. As you notice, we have here the data from 1900s to 1998, and its forest cover in terms of percentage. A cubic polynomial that best models the data is given by y equals 26x cubed minus 3,500x squared minus 391,300x plus 69,717,000 all over 1 million, where x is greater than or equals to 0 but less than or equals to 98, where y is the percentage forest cover, x years from 1900s. Here are the questions. Letter A. Using the graph, what is the approximate forest cover during the year 1940? Very good. It is 50%. Letter B. Compare the forest cover in 1987, as given in the table, to the forest cover given by the polynomial function. Why are these values not exactly the same? Exactly. The value given by the table is 23.7%. The polynomial gives a value of 26.3%. The given polynomial is the cubic polynomial that best fits the data. We expect it to give a good approximation of the forest cover, but it may not necessarily produce the exact values. Letter C. Do you think you can use the polynomial to predict the forest cover in the year 2100s? Why or why not? Yes, the domain of the function is 0 and 98. Since year 2100 corresponds to x equals 200, we cannot use the function to predict forest cover during this year. Moreover, if x equals 200, the polynomial predicts the forest cover of 59.46%. This is very unrealistic unless major actions are done to reverse the trend. You can find other data that can be modeled by a polynomial. Use the regression tool in MS Excel or GeoGebra to determine the best fit polynomial for the data. This time, we will process the previous activities by answering the following guided questions. Number 1. How did you find the activity? Number 2. Did you encounter difficulty while answering or performing the activity? Number 3. Were you surprised that polynomial functions have real and practical uses? Number 4. What do you need to solve these kinds of problems? For sure, each one of you has different opinion and answers regarding with my questions, but don't worry. In solving problems involving polynomial functions, simply follow the general steps or strategy. First, understand the problem. For us to understand the problem, we should read and relate the problem. Choose the variable to represent the unknown, construct a drawing whenever possible, propose a solution and check. Second, translate the problem into an equation. Third, solve the equation. And fourth, interpret the result. Check proposed solution in problem and state your conclusion. So let's try answering one example. The demographer in Bayan ni Pedro predicts that the population P of the town 3 years from now can be modeled by the function P of T equals 6T raised to the 4th power minus 5T cubed plus 200T plus 12,000. What will be the population of the town 5 years from now? Here are the solutions. We know that t is 5 years from now, and the polynomial function is p of t equals 6t raised to the 4th power minus 5t cubed plus 200t plus 12,000. For our first step, we will substitute the value of t, which is 5. So we will have p of 5 equals 6 times 5 raised to the 4th power minus 5 times 5 cubed plus 200 times 5 plus 12,000. Then, we will simplify those with exponents. We have here 5 raised to the 4th power, meaning we are going to multiply 5 by itself 4 times. That is 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 would give us 625. We also have here 5 cubed, meaning we are going to multiply 5 by itself 3 times. That is 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. Then, we are going to perform the multiplication. 6 times 625, that is 3,750. 5 times 125 is 625. Then, 200 times 5 is 1,000. Next, we're going to perform subtraction and addition from left to right. 3,750 minus 625 plus 1,000 plus 12,000 is 16,125. Therefore, the population of the town 5 years from now is 16,125.